how to use WhatsApp Web on Chrome. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you use WhatsApp Web on your Chrome. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open Chrome browser on your PC or laptop. Alright, after you open the browser, in the search field you'll have to search for Web WhatsApp. Alright, after you search it, click on WhatsApp Web. Alright, so now from this section, you can easily know that to log into your web WhatsApp, you'll have to just open the WhatsApp on your mobile device, and for the Android, you'll have to just tap on the menu or three dot, or for the iPhone, you'll have to tap on settings. So I will show you on my iPhone, and after I open WhatsApp, I will have to just click on the option settings over here. Alright, from the settings, tap on link device, and from here tap on link your device, and from the section I will have to just scan the QR from the site to my browser, and after I scan I will be able to log in or use my WhatsApp web on my PC or laptop. So from this way you can easily log in or use web WhatsApp on your PC or laptop. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.